Danke bafethu. So iMamelodi Sundowns iluzile i-CAF Champions League final kabuhlungu lapha ne-heartbreak e-Egypt yabo. La be-expect-we khona ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns kumele ithene izinto around but ayikwazanga ukuzithena yabo. So kokuqala badlalisa u-Adams laphana bamqalisa igame and u-Adams mawubheka egamini akakwazanga uku-adjust-a kahle. First half uhlulekile ngempela ukudlala kahle. I-experience emshayile umdlali yabo. Bowubona ukuthi the game is too big for yena yabo. Kusaqala igame wenzana nama-foul ayi-2 unnecessary, yabona ukuthi ufake i-team under pressure ukuthi mhlawumbe angathola i-yellow card noma ngabe kunini, but-ke nje mawubheka overall u-Adams azange abe ne-game e-right. Bafaka uMatthews no-Coach Cardoso angazi noma u-confused noma yini. Ulo last week ulo Matthews was the best performer inside the field of play, wamkhipha first half. Namhlanje yamqalisa futhi lowo muntu loyo yabo. So angazi ngempela ukuthi ucoach one-style esinjani nanokuthi i-decision making yakhe ikanjani yabo. Okay, siyazi ukuthi akadlalisanga uThemba Zwane, it's fine. Athi siyijampe leyo sifocus vele egroundini yabo. So well worked free kick, khona i-free kick abayitholile bayidlale kahle kakhulu. U-Reiners akana composure naye as i-striker. Ibhola bekumele liye ku-Ribeiro yena uFoster ukulikhatha laphana ukuthi alishayele lona lelo goal. Lelo bhola lelo leli alishayile la phezulu miscued shot, but-ke uRibeiro bene chance engcono than yena. Baplanile labantu ukuplana but yena ubona ibhola phambi kwakhe ufuna ukulishaya same time. And dala this season ku-CAF Champions League u-Reiners amisa nama-chance aso, but-ke ama-long passes laphana ku-Pyramids nama-square ball ayibulele ngempela iMamelodi Sundowns because bakore ngayo le-square ball lakhona. uModiba esayidini lakhe njalo kuzoba namagoli avela esayidini labo, ama-crosses, because akekho good that much ngokudefend yabo. Uhlezi exposed, bama-exposile-ke naku-final futhi yabo. So esayidini la uModiba bayamshiya baliphasa ibhola phambili and then balishaya bayisquare and then ibhola lifika kuMukwena ku-Grant Kekana, lifika ku-Grant Kekana uhluleka ulihlera ibhola ulinika uMayele. Unganika uMayele ibhola ebhokisini lishaya phakathi kuMayele yabo. So iMamelodi Sundowns, I think all in all mawubheka nje from i-first goal ukuthuka nanokuthi abafana banayo lapho i-confidence. Yabona mawungajwayelanga ukudlala ama-big games, this was the biggest game of their lives. Ama-player amaningi laphana inside the field of play akaze adlala i-game of this magnitude abaningi yabo. Ubheke uMatthews akaze adlala igame enkulu, angimazi mina ku-game enkulu uMatthews enkulu kangaka yabo. u-Adams ubonile bengekho right laphana ukuthi angaqala igame umfana. I-first 10 minutes nje already bese kunama-dangerous crosses welo we-Pyramids. Bowubona ukuthi igame bazoyiwina ngama-cross and i-planning ucoach lo we-Pyramids uvele kulo bekhuluma nama-journalist ukhuluma indaba yokuthi iMamelodi Sundowns idlala ngendlela eyi-one, whether isePitori or idlala kuphi, kusho ukuthi predictable. Uzomshaya kanjani-ke umuntu ucoach osekubonile ukuthi udlala kanjani ngoba awuchange nokuchange. Lucas Ribeiro ushisile ukushisa kulo ku-PSL noma ku-Betway Premiership, but laphana ku-AFCON uleka something man uRibeiro. Akusulo Ribeiro lo dlala ku-Betway Premiership, but-ke Themba Zwane captain yabo ayidlalanga besebhentshini laphana. uCardoso sefaka noma ngabe ubani. Neso Reiners ukorile nge-75 minutes bebanesikhathi sokuthi ngempela benze izinto zenzeke isikhathi eside kabi yabo. But-ke yeah, it was not the case bafowethu, it was not meant to be ukuthi bawine, but indlela abaluze ngayo because they created opportunities ukuthi bayiwine igame nabo yabo. They created opportunities. uMatthews bamshaya ngebhola lapha 1-on-1 no-goalkeeper, good save from u-goalkeeper. Mawuthola ama-chance angaka bafowethu, like i-chance e-good kangaka, i-chance enkulu kangaka ku-final i-Champions League udinga i-away goal uyivalela phakathi, but because baleka i-experience abo-Matthews udlale e-Europe but akaze adlalele seku-Champions League ama-game a-serious yabo. So i-game yale magnitude le beyingamdingi uMatthews yabo. Good ukuba good but uleka like izinto ezifew ngoba igame uyiwina mentally before uyiwine egroundini yabo. Kufuneka abantu abaziyo ukuthi ama-big games awinwa kanjani. uThemba Zwane-ke usebhentshini, umuntu oyi-big game player. Miguel Cardoso yeah, uhlulekile ngempela, uyifeyilile iMamelodi Sundowns. iMamelodi Sundowns first half bezama ukudlala ama-long passes laphana phansi, bazama uku-connecta say from i-defense to straight to ama-wing or to i-strike, and baluze amabhola like amaningi kakhulu lapho bazama ukudlala ama-long passes, azange ngempela asebenze. So njengoba bayiluzile i-finally, which is sad cause kuthathe 9 years ukuthi bafike futhi ku-CAF Champions League final, only for them bayiluza ku-team ayikho more talented than bona, but-ke inhliziyo zabo, like the bravado persona that they have, inkani yabo, ba-strong abafana belobi Pyramids FC. Lapha bebayo enkundleni laphana bayele ukuyolwa, iMamelodi Sundowns they lack that thing yokuthi i-fighting spirit, baleke yona. I think first half futhi mina bengicabanga ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns bekungabonakali ngathi badlala i-final, they were not emotional, yabo, cause something has to kick in modlala i-final kubonakala ukuthi okay i-final le, yabo, so uyifune ngempela ukuyiwina. Miguel Cardoso, yeah, I think isizini yakhe ibe-flop, but-ke all in all, second half they came back, they dominated in terms babamba ibhola 65% more than ilona i-Pyramids. They created those opportunities, but they could not take the opportunities, yabo, mawubheka nje all in all. But the funniest thing ukuthi mawuya phambili kuyo yonke igame, iMamelodi Sundowns bene nje 4 shots on target nje kuphela, yabo, ishaya kayi-10 epalini. nePyramids nayo same thing, ishaya kayi-10, even yaba na-4 shots on target, ayi-2 babaluleke kakhulu ngoba amagoli, yabo, ama-passes amancane. Mawubheka nje overall, iPyramids ukwazile ukuyibamba igame, kuyibamba iMamelodi Sundowns. iMamelodi Sundowns yiyo ehlulekile ngempela ngoba beyi-control igame, but-ke abakwazanga uku-create ama-chances amaningi enough ukuthi bawine igame. Yes, bawa-create-ile ama-chances, bekumele bakore, bahluleka futhi bona ukukora, yabo. Leyo nkani leyo bebengenayo, kuba strong ukusebenzisa nje leyo crowd leyo, baleka lezi zinto lezo. Ngeke uhlalise i-best player lakho ebhentshini. uMiguel Cardoso unama-excuse ngoThembazwane amaningi, but-ke umhlalisa ebhentshini ufuna ukuprove i-point. Sobona ukuthi indaba kaMiguel Cardoso izophelelaphi njengoba bahlulekile ukuwina i-CAF Champions League final. Danko bafowethu.